everyone! Today I recommend a handbag to you. This handbag is very light and has a lot of space.
I do not have $600 to drop on a pair of headphones, so I got these off the TikTok shop and they're
Noise canceling, they have an adjustable head strap, and they actually have cloud cushion comfort on them.
Good morning, Mommy. What are you doing?
Good morning, sweetie. Mommy is just making breakfast.
Oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? That's the Lord of my soul. Oh, my soul.